Hello and welcome to Johnny Dibs Tips, where we give you the quick tips to get through your day. Continuing on in our Excel functions, today we'll be looking at the AverageIf function. Let's say you have data such as this in a sheet and you want to find out the average revenue per sale for each of your salespeople. This is a great use case for the AverageIf function. To do the AverageIf function, it's very similar to our SumIf function. We'll put our cursor where we want our answer to be, and then we'll type in equal sign, the word average if, open the parenthesis, and again Excel is going to ask us for a range of values that we want to check in. So we're going to select the salespeople's names as our range of values, and as in our last video, we're going to go ahead and use the F4 key to lock that range in place. Remember, you can scroll through the various versions of the dollar signs by using the F4 key to lock the range. Once we've got our range highlighted and we've got it locked in place, we're going to enter a comma. Then it's going to ask us what is the criteria that we want to compare that range to. And we're going to select the salesperson's name. In this case, it's the cell B28. Then we're going to place another column, and Excel is now asking us for the range of values that it wants us to average. So we'll highlight that range, and again remembering to use the F4 key to lock that range in place, and then we close that out with a parenthesis. And when we hit enter, we see that Alexis has an average sale price of $149. But we should be able to check this by going through and highlighting each of the cells that contain sales data for Alexis. And if we look down in the bottom right hand corner, we can see there is the word average, and it says $149.59, which happens to match what we have in cell C28. So now we copy that formula and we paste it on down to our bottom cells, and it gives us the average sales revenue per sale for each of our salespeople. And in this case, why don't we go ahead and check out another one just to make sure that our ranges are working. So we'll look at Donovan. So we find all of the cells that have Donovan on it, and we highlight that. Each of those cells that has Donovan on it. And when we look over in the lower right hand corner, we can see the average is $119.94. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and remember to subscribe for more Johnny Dibs quick tips and Excel functions.